Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating basics. Power off and remove the SIM to inspect the tray and contacts. Dust or a bent pin can cause no service. Once done, reinsert the SIM firmly and boot. Immediately check airplane mode, toggle it off and on, and verify network mode is set to the correct LTE/3G/2G for your carrier. Make sure you know your APN settings. If missing, you may lose data even when service returns. Back up your contacts and messages now. You now tackle settings that often fix persistent no-service issues. Reset network settings to clear corrupted profiles. This removes saved Wi-Fi and VPNs, but often restores cellular connectivity. Next, go to mobile network and manually search for and select your carrier. Sometimes automatic registration fails. If that does not work, test the SIM in a known good phone to rule out the card, and try a different SIM in your device to isolate hardware versus provisioning problems. Keep track of any error codes you see. You finish by updating software and carrier settings. Software bugs or carrier pushes can restore service. If updates do not help, perform a factory reset as a last resort after a full backup, which removes app-level corruption that can block registration. Once reset, set up the phone and check service before restoring everything. If service still fails, call your carrier to confirm provisioning and EMA status, and request a replacement SIM or network side refresh. Troubleshoot tip. If the phone shows.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.